Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Do you want to customize your Odoo menu or hide action and print options from a particular group of people? Then this module is the perfect solution for you. Introducing Hide Action and Print Menu module. This module dynamically hides the action and print menus for customers in a delegated institution across both shape and tree perspectives, ensuring confined customers cannot get the right of entry to those functionalities. Let's see how you can use this module. We will start by installing the module. You can find it in Odoo apps under name, Hide Action and Print Menu. Once the module is installed, go to Sales Data. Select the users and create a group. Now go to Setting, then Manage Users. Open the data, and you will find the option Hide Action and just enable it. Let's check if it is working or not. As you can see here, both options are removed. This way you can choose to hide action and print option for particular user using this module. Hope you find this module useful. Thank you for watching this video.